How to add picture in PowerPoint. So if you want to add picture in your PowerPoint, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint application. So simply search for PowerPoint and open up your PowerPoint. Once you've opened, you need to go for the blank presentation. And once you have the slides of your presentation, now you just need to simply go for insert, which is here on the upper left. Click on insert, go for the pictures, and here you will have three options, right? So if you want to add pictures from your device, then you can choose this device. Or if you want to add pictures from your stock images, then you can choose that. Or if you want to add from online pictures, then you can choose online pictures. So in order to add online pictures, you need to have the link to that picture. So for example, if you go with Google and if you search for an image, once you've chosen the image, go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and go for share and go for copy link. And once you've copied the link, now you can go back and you can go for pictures and go for online pictures. And here you need to paste the link that you have just copied. Once you've pasted, click on insert. And once you click on insert, you will have this kind of interface where you can simply adjust your picture wherever you like. So this is about the online picture, right? But if you want to insert a picture which is present on your laptop or your PC, then again go for the pictures and go for this device, and you can simply add a picture from your device. Choose the picture, go for the insert, and here you will have the picture. So you can simply adjust the picture, and that's it. So that's how you can add images on your PowerPoint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.